Coffee is the common man's gold, and like gold, it brings to every person the feeling of luxury and nobility. Sheikh Abdul Qadir. The story of coffee is an interesting one. History tells us a story of a young Ethiopian shepherd who was grazing his sheep in the wilderness of the Ethiopian land. Later in the day, the young shepherd lost track of his herd and went to look for them. He came to find them energized and jumpy, eating from an unknown bean of some kind. He took some of these beans, gave them a taste, and later found the special power they held. Little did he know at the time that he found a plant that will revolutionize the world. Ethiopians boiled the seed and began drinking it for a renewed boost of energy. Soon enough, it made its way to Yemen, just across the Red Sea. The Arabs in Yemen love their coffee. If you know Bedouins and their generosity, you know that coffee is served like water. The Sufis of Yemen used coffee in their pursuit of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so they could stay up at night for prayer with a little more ease. The word coffee originated from the Arabic language. It came from the word qahwa, which is the drink that comes out of the bun, coffee seed. Qahwa comes from the verb qahi, which means to lose one's appetite. The Arabs feel that once you drink coffee, the urge to eat goes away. So they served it after their meals. Coffee houses opened up everywhere in the Islamic world, even in places where scholars were found debating with each other, where they were surrounded by many people looking to be educated, all with a cup of coffee in their hands. With time, this drink spread even further. A battle fought by the Ottomans in Vienna, one they lost, became an introduction of coffee to the European world. This introduction inspired another name change. Kahva became kahfa with an F, which soon became kafa and finally cafe. Many more cafe shops were opened everywhere, starting at the time of the Turks before it made its way to Europe. This drink introduced a new market to the world, a market that brought millions of people livelihood. In 2016, coffee shops were the fastest growing restaurant in terms of global sales. After oil, the second most traded commodity is coffee, worth over $100 billion, having over 70 countries contributing to its production. And if you like sugar with your coffee, then know sugar comes from the Arabic word sukkar. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.